Welcome to part 3 of the quiz on waterfalls. Let us start with the first question. Which of the following waterfalls has boundaries with two countries? The answer here is Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls has boundaries with both USA and Canada. In Canada, it is in the state of Ontario, while in USA, it is in the state of New York. The Joke Fall lies entirely in the state of Karnataka. The Angel Falls is in Venezuela, while the Pangong Tso is not even a waterfall. It is a lake that is disputed between China and India. China controls about 2/3 of the lake, while India controls about 1/3 of the lake. This is the Niagara Falls. Here you can see in the map that the Niagara Fall lies at the junction of Canada and USA. It also lies at the junction of two lakes, Lake Ontario and Lake Erie. Question number 2. Waterfall X lies in the state Y. No Creek National Park is in state Y. Choose the correct pair for X and Y. Since the No Creek National Park is in state Y, we can say that Y is Meghalaya. Now, every option that has taken Y as some other state other than Meghalaya will be eliminated. Option A has taken Y as Bihar, so it will be eliminated. Option B has taken Y as Mizoram, it will be eliminated. While option C and D have taken Y as Meghalaya, so the correct answer must be between C and D. The Meen Mutti Falls lies in Kerala, so it cannot be the answer because the waterfall X has to lie in Y and Y is Meghalaya. So option D is Langshiang. Langshiang is a waterfall in Meghalaya. Option D is the correct answer. In this map, you can see all the major falls of Meghalaya. You should also note that Bearden and Bishop are together known as the twin waterfalls. Waterfall X is formed from a river which is part of Panchganga Valley. Amongst the following option, X is. Here we are talking about a waterfall X which is on a river. And the river is part of Panchganga Valley. Now what is Panchganga Valley? You must have read about Panchganga Valley in the chapter of drainage system in geography. The Panchganga Valley is a union of 5 rivers in the state of Karnataka. Let us see what are these rivers. They are Varahi, Sauparnika, Edka, Chakra and Kubja. Let us go back to the options. The Kunchikal Falls are located on Varahi River. The Varahi River is part of the Panchganga Valley, therefore the correct answer would be A. The Tirathgarh Falls are located in Chhattisgarh, the Vindhyam Falls are located in Uttar Pradesh, the Palani Falls are located in Himachal Pradesh. Question number 4. This is a tough question. Which of the following waterfalls is formed on a river which is a tributary of Krishna? Here we are talking about a waterfall which is on a river, and that river is a tributary of river Krishna. Now there are two ways to solve this question. One, you must remember all the tributaries of Krishna and the waterfalls on them. Or there is an elimination method. Let us look at the first. These are all the major tributaries of river Krishna. The major ones are Panchganga, Dudganga, Ghataprabha, Malaprabha, Tungabhadra, Chandravanka. For the purpose of the question, we are concerned with Chandravanka river, on which we have the Athipothala. On Chandravanka river, we have the Athipothala Falls, which is in Andhra Pradesh. So the answer would be B. But this is a tough method. Let us go to the elimination method. In the elimination method, we can say the Krishna basin lies in the state of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka and Maharashtra. So all the falls that are not in any of these 4 states will be eliminated. Joranda Falls are in Odisha. They will be eliminated. The Athipothala Falls is in Andhra Pradesh. It will not be eliminated. The James Bruce Falls is in Canada. It will be eliminated. The Thiruparapu Falls is in Tamil Nadu. It will be eliminated. The remaining answer is B. This is an easy question. Monkey Falls is in which state? The answer is Tamil Nadu. This is the Monkey Fall. It lies in the Annamalai Hills of Coimbatore.